Good morning, this is Mr. Vinnick showing my students how to create a demo program for a GridWorld situation. So here we have as a link on my website in Unit 7 these days, I have a bunch of classes that are all different bug variations. And I'm just going to pick the one called dash bug. And here's the code. Notice this is not a client program. There's no public static void main string args. It's a class which we will later learn extends another class because bug is considered the parent class of dash bug, which is considered the child class. And that's not really important for today's discussion. So I'm going to copy and paste the code and slide over here to Eclipse. And I'm going to make a whole new project here in Eclipse called something. I'm going to name it dash bug runner. Dash bug. I could name it dash bug test or dash bug. No, you know what? I'm just going to call it dash bug example. That sounds like a good project name. Clicking the finished button there at the bottom. I now have a project. I need to right click and add a new class to that. Now this class here that I'm adding to this newly made project, I'm going to name it dash bug runner. The AP people like to call client programs runner programs. I don't know why, but they just do. Instead of dash bug client or dash bug test. Then I'm going to check mark this free public static void main that they're offering me in Eclipse. And I'm clicking that finish button that you can't see. So now I have an empty class here, and they already gave me public static void main string args. By the way, on the AP exam, you will never be in a situation where you have to actually write out public static void main string args. They don't expect you to actually memorize that. I think you should have it memorized, but you don't have to. I'm going to delete that stupid comment, as you see. And now let's declare a dash bug object. Dash bug, we'll call him dash, equals new dash bug. Now I don't know if that line of code is going to work or not. Then dash bug dash rather dot move. So right now I have a program that doesn't work, and mainly because dash bug is quickly underlined. Well, look at this. I hold my mouse over that and it says dash bug cannot be resolved to a data type. Well, Java here, Eclipse rather, doesn't know about the dash bug class. So I'm going to slide over to my demo program, recopy and paste it there, and now I'm going to either paste it all below this client program for convenience and simplicity, or I'm going to right click and add a new class to this project. That's the professional way to do it, so I'll do it that way. New class, and I'm going to call it dash bug. I have to name it dash bug now. Not dash bug runner, but dash bug. I do not want a public static void main. I just click the finish button down here. So now in my project, I have two classes, the runner and then the dash bug class itself. Double clicking the dash bug class and deleting what they gave me for free there, I'm now going to paste in the code that I got from Minix, well that's me, from Minix webpage. Public class dash bug. Make sure that the name of that class is spelled exactly the same as the name of the file with a capital D and a capital B. But it's still squiggly underlined. And even over here in the runner program, it's still squiggly underlined. Well, that's because I have not, well, partly that's because there is no default constructor in the dash bug class. There's what I call a other constructor that needs a length supplied in the parentheses. So let's go over here to the runner program and put some number like 2 in there, just to keep it happy. Okay, that squiggly went away. And by the way, there's a move. I don't even know if dash bug has a move method. Oh, he has an act method. My bad. So let's just type dash.act, empty parentheses. Oh, the squiggly went away. All the squigglies went away. Let's run this program. Crash. The error isn't here, though. It's over here where you see a red X. Oh, look, location is squiggly underlined. Bug is underlined, and info dot is underlined. I'm going to pause here and ask my 2013-14 AP Java Period 1 class for an answer and get back to you in this video. So the problem, as correctly pointed out by Cassidy, in my class, she said that I have to import a jar file to this project so that it can make use of all the fun graphical GridWorld stuff that the people at College Board black boxed for us and have it working behind the scenes in a way that we don't have to know what we're doing. So I right-click over here. One way to do this, of course, is right-click on your project. Go down, you can't see it, to the property menu option. Bring up this window. Quickly go to Java Build Path. Bring up the Libraries tab and come over here to Add External Jar, ... Browse your hard drive or network or whatever for this special file, GridWorld, and it's a jar executable. It's a jar file, .jar just isn't showing up. Double click it, click OK, and all the squigglies go away. Now you don't run the class, the Dashbug class. It doesn't make sense with this highlighted, brought forward, to click the run, the play button. It only makes sense to run the runner program. That's why they called it runner. Anyway, let's go for it. Let's see what happens now with one act of dash. The dash bug with a something of 2, whatever that 2 stands for. Ready? Let's go. Running the program, crossing my fingers, hoping some graphical checkerboard grid pops up. And I'm still waiting, I'm still waiting. Okay, I'm giving up hope. There's an error, you can't see it here. I'm going to go off camera right now and diagnose this. Oh, I'm sorry, Dash. I just put you in the vacuum of interstellar space. You have no oxygen to breathe. You have no food to eat. Sorry. So I'm going to come over here to bug variations. It's just a demo program I know I have. No, Boxbug. I'm going to go to Boxbug, which the AP people gave me. I'm going to go to that runner. I'm going to copy and paste the first line of code from that world. And I'm just going to copy and paste some of that code and paste it in here, and I'll get back to you in this video shortly. Okay, I cleaned it up. I instantiate a world, I show the world, I then put Dashbug into the world, and I didn't quite get to that yet. Okay, there you have it, folks. You can pause this and type it out. I'm going to run the program. But now we have Dash at the location 2, 3 in a world named world. Not Earth, not Mars, not Venus, but a world named world. And we do a world.show. And come on, where's the program? Run, 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 please. Ah, there it is. Oh, isn't that nice? Now I'm going to run the runner program here by clicking this little run thing. And there's Dash. Oh, look! He's making Dash. Oh, and he went off the screen, never to be seen again. Well, you can fix it. Have a good day.